Puretec is pleased to announce the arrival of a revolutionary high-flow, bacteria-removing, ultrafine inline water filter that connects to any mixer tap. Transform your mixer into a 0.1 micron filter with the innovative Ultra Z technology of the Puremix Z6. This impressive level of filtration is now available without compromising on flow rate and has a massive capacity of 60,000 litres. The Puremix Z6 connects to any standard mixer tap, meaning there is no need for a separate filter tap, and it installs horizontally or vertically so that shelf cutouts are not required. Puretec provides a complete kit for standard installation and has introduced valve-in-head technology, which means the cartridge can be quickly and easily changed without having to turn off the water supply. With 3 stages of filtration, the Puremix Z6 uses Ultra Z technology to remove particles, sediment, rust, sand, silt, and algae. It goes on to reduce chlorine and other chemicals, as well as bad tastes and odours. It then finishes with a membrane that finally filters to 0.1 micron, providing protection from bacteria such as E. coli and harmful cysts like Giardia and Cryptosporidium. It's all backed up by the 10-year platinum protection warranty. Speak to your local Puretec dealer today. Puretec, perfecting water made easy.